Western herbal medicine is very different than Chinese herbal medicine. Chinese herbal medicine is like pharmacy. Like, you learn the biochemistry of each plant. In Western, they're like, oh, this is good for toning the uterus. That's what they say about red raspberry leaf. I don't know what that means. I don't know how to diagnose. So I believe if something is strong enough to fix something, it's strong enough to hurt you if you don't need it. For example, a lot of you take Inositol, and which is a combination of dichloroinositol, myo-inositol. There are thousands of misinformed creators on social media telling you to take Inositol, this combination, which is completely inappropriate if you're trying to get pregnant. Here's why. You have two kinds of inositol in that product, dichiro and regular myo-inositol. Now, dichloroinositol is a small dose, but it is really good for lowering testosterone. However, only 2% of you have high testosterone. So that means that if you take Inositol and you don't have high testosterone, if you have normal or low testosterone, you will get lower testosterone, and low testosterone causes infertility. So you want to just, if you're trying to get pregnant, take pure myo-inositol. 1 in 3 people have prediabetes. That means insulin resistance, high blood sugar, and high blood sugar really hurts your eggs. So myo-inositol is a very cheap way, in addition to improving your diet, getting rid of sugar, getting rid of refined carbohydrates, not all carbohydrates, but refined carbohydrates, and really upping your protein, fiber, and fat. So red raspberry leaf tea, like, I don't know how to tell someone to use it, because there's nothing that is good for everyone. Just like the Inositol, really good if you have high testosterone, really bad if you have low testosterone or normal testosterone. And when you say it tones the uterus, I can't understand what that action is. The last thing is the dose in anything that comes in a tea bag is too small to have a therapeutic effect. It's just like, you know how when you feel a little bit stressed, the last thing is the dose in anything that comes in a tea bag is too small to have a therapeutic effect. It's just like, you know how when you feel a little bit stressed, you might be like, I'm going to make a cup of chamomile. Like, I might do that after this. It has a mild action because the dose is tiny. But if you were having a full-on panic attack and I brought you a nice cup of chamomile tea, you'd be like, fuck off, man, I need Xanax. Like, I'm having a real panic attack. Speaking of which, you don't need Xanax for a panic attack, but you feel like it. If you take an ice pack and you put it on your sternum, like right here, for 30 seconds and you're having a panic, it like almost instantly interrupts it.